substitution. So this thing is in your calculus also. So please, I'm telling everyone to look at this one carefully. Okay, so look at here. If I have an expression root over of 1 plus x square, so my main concern is to remove the root. Okay, my main concern will be to remove the square root. How can I do that? I will substitute x. I will substitute x as tan x. Sorry, it won't be x, as tan theta or cot theta. Okay, my main concern is to remove the square root, because square root creates a problem. So whenever you see 1 plus x square, I will substitute x as tan theta or cot theta. You see what happens if I substitute x as tan theta. So what happens in here? Let's do. So what happens? So can I write this one as 1 plus, it becomes what? Tell me, guys. Will it not become this thing or not? Tell me. Will it not become this thing or not? 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus x square. If I substitute x as tan theta, will it not become this one or not? Yes or no? Yes. Now 1 plus tan square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So what I get? Root over of sec square theta. And you see square and square root goes away. So we get sec theta. Am I clear, everyone? Yes or no? You see square root is removed. Understood? Okay. Now in the same way, if you put cot square theta, if you put x as cot theta, you'll get what? 1 plus cot square theta, and it becomes what? Root over of cosec square theta. So root and square will go out, it will become cosec theta. Understood? Yes or no? So always remember, when I see root over of 1 plus x square, what I will substitute with? I will substitute with tan x, tan theta or cot theta. Now next one, whenever I see root over of 1 minus x square, whenever I see root over of 1 minus x square, I will substitute x as sin x or cos x. Why? You see, if I substitute sin x, so what happens? It becomes what? 1 minus sin square x. And 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x. And root over of cos square x is what? Cos x. Everyone clear? Yes or no? Now the last one. If I have root over of x square minus 1, if I have root over of x square minus 1, then I will substitute. Acha, one thing, here it won't be x, they will all be theta. Okay, how can x be equal to this thing? It's wrong. So it will be theta. So if I have this one, this expression, root over of x square minus 1, in this expression I will substitute x is equal to sec theta, not x is equal to sec theta. Understood? Am I clear? Or x is equal to cosec theta. Everyone clear or not? What am I doing? Okay, now you see, if I substitute x as sec theta, what happens? If I substitute x as sec theta, what happens? So I get sec square theta minus 1. And sec square theta minus 1 is how much? Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So I get root over of tan square theta. Now square and square root goes away. We get tan theta. Am I clear? Understood? In the same way, if I put cosec theta, so I get cosec square theta minus 1, and cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So I get cot theta. And so the last one. Now, if I have root over of 1 minus x and 1 plus x, if I have an expression like this, then I will substitute cos 2x. For this type of expression, I will substitute x as, what I have done, x as cos 2 theta. Am I clear? If I have root over of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, I will substitute x as cos 2 theta. Now let's see what happens if I substitute cos 2 theta. So it becomes what? Root over of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, clear everyone? 1 minus cos 2 theta is the formula of 2 sine square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is the formula of 2 sine square theta. And 1 plus cos 2 theta is the formula of 2 cos square theta. Okay, so this 2 gets cancelled. Sine square theta and cos square theta becomes what? Tan square theta, root over of tan square theta, and root and square goes away, so I get tan theta. Okay, clear? This thing you have to remember. It is required in calculus also. This is very important thing. Everyone understood? My main criteria was to remove the square root. You see, the main criteria was to remove the square root. There is no square root, no square root, no square root, no square root. Understood? Clear or not? Huh?